Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different. I purchased a acrylic nail set from Target. It's from the brand called Kiss. I'm going to show you what it looks like here. This is what it looks like. I'm going to do a little demo and a review for you guys and let you know what I think about these. It's been so long since I bought a little set of nails from the store. I'm going to give these a try and let you guys know what I think. So if you're interested to see how these look, how they work, then keep on watching. Let's get into it. So I bought these from Target. And they cost $5.99. With tax, it came out to $6.47. This is what the packaging looks like. And let's see what's inside. So it says it comes with 28 nails. They have a flexible and flawless fit. They never chip, and they are 10 times stronger than, I guess, some other nails that they came out with. It's from the brand called Kiss, which I am somewhat familiar with. Says they are better than salon acrylic. We'll see about that. Alright, so when you open them up, this is what they look like. So there's 12 nails here in the front. I'm going to try and bring you in and focus on these. There we go. And then it comes with the glue, and then on the back there's like a little pocket for, it looks like these nails are like the thumbnails maybe, like the bigger ones. And then these nails are just, you know, extra. It comes with 28 nails, so that's a good size. And then also, oh yeah, here it is. Comes with the cuticle pusher and this nail file, which I end up throwing away anyway. But it's nice for people who don't have those things already. So I'm going to take these out of the packaging and I'm going to give these a shot. I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can get a better view of how these apply to my nails. Oh, and also, before I do that, I'm going to use my, let me focus here. Hold on. Okay, I'm going to use my kit that I bought online. It's called a pedicure set from the brand Sube. Oh, manicure pedicure set, I'm sorry. But, this is what it looks like. I bought this off Amazon and I think I literally spent like $20 on it. And it comes with a nail drill and a plug to plug it into the wall. And then it came with these bits that just pop right into the nail drill. So I use this one right here to shape my cuticles because I have terrible cuticles. And then like this one is more like sandpaper you can use to like rough up your nails a little bit before you apply these fake nails and blah blah blah. There's other uses for them, but I only really use the one for the cuticles and the one for like filing my nails. But if I had to recommend a kit for anyone who does acrylics at home, or because yeah, that's really what I would use these for, is like if you do acrylics at home. Anyway, this is a really good kit, and like I said, I purchased it off Amazon, and I only spent around $20 for it, and it's worked the entire time. I've never had any problems with it, so I would highly recommend this product. This is what I'm going to use to shape my cuticles and file my nails before I apply these fake ones. Okay, so as you guys can see, the directions for application: you are to clean your nails with acetone polish remover. Select correct size nail for each finger and set aside in order. Nails are sized by number noted underneath nail. First, you are to apply the glue to the natural nail. Then you are to apply glue to the back of the artificial nail. Align with cuticle, press on, and hold for 5 seconds. The expert tip is to apply enough glue to avoid air pockets, secure adhesion, and extend wear. So, let's see here. This is what the glue looks like. Your standard, typical glue nail. Nail glue. So I'm going to twist this top off here. Well, that was easy. And then we're going to get some glue out here. Okay, so I'm going to apply the glue here to the artificial nail. I already filed this one. And I already filed it to my liking. I'm just gonna clip a little bit off here. Doesn't want to come. There we go. So it doesn't say how much glue to apply, but I'm just gonna use my best judgment. Just gonna apply like all over the nail. And then I'm gonna apply. Guys, look at my nails. Are you kidding me? That's disgusting. So I'm gonna apply glue all over my pinky nail. Set this glue aside. And I'm gonna go in. And like I said, I already matched this to my nail. I'm gonna press firmly and hold. I'll just press firmly and hold for about 10 seconds here. Okay guys, so this is what the first nail looks like on. I think it looks really good. I'm just going to do like a little touch-up filing, and I'm probably going to end up having to paint these, but I'm going to put the rest of them on and come right back. Okay guys, so this is what they look like freshly applied. I did a little bit of filing. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to paint them. I'm going to use an emery board. Actually, it's a buffing block. Let me show you. Looks like this. I'm going to go in, buff them out to make them a little bit less shiny and smooth so that the polish will better adhere to the nails. And then I'll be back to show you the final nails. Okay, so at this point in my video, guys, my audio cut out, so I'm going to do this voiceover so that there is a conclusion to this video. My final thoughts on these Kiss Revolutionary acrylic nails are that they are well worth the price I paid for. I mean, as you can see, they look pretty much like they were done professionally, and they cost a fraction of the price. I had a very easy time applying these. The nice part about them is that they come as the stiletto nail tip, so the only filing and reshaping that I had to do was to fit the nail bed on the sides of each nail. They are supposed to last me for 7 days. I'm going to keep you guys updated on my Instagram page. If you don't follow me already, go ahead and do so. I'll be glad to follow you back. My Instagram handle is Momomakeup, and I am going to update you guys in my Instagram story about how these look in a few days. And like I said, for the price, you really can't beat that, especially if you're looking for something that compares to a salon acrylic nail. These are by far the closest that I've ever gotten to achieving that, and also they were just so easy to work with and apply. It really was a good experience that I had applying these nails. I would highly recommend them. So, yeah, there they are. Check them shits out. They look so good. I'm going to leave the links down below for the gel nail polish kit that I referenced, the nail drill, and also these nails. So, thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!